Let's talk about the new alignment tools in Realflow. And you can see on the UI there are all these buttons. One is transformation, position, scale, share, and rotation. And then these work with the grids. So let's create two objects. First, let's create a rocket and a circle emitter. I'm gonna move the circle emitter here, and the rocket here. So I want to align the circle emitter to this rocket. So what we have to do is we select first the guy who is basically has the pose that we want to copy from. So you have to look at it that you are copying the transformation information to this guy. So we're gonna copy it from here to this. So we shift select this guy, and then we hit the position alignment tool, so the circle jumps there. Now if we move it away and we align this, we rotate the rocket, then we can select the rocket, shift select the circle, and then hit the rotation alignment. Then the circle emitter is gonna align with the rotation to the rocket, and the same is true for the scale. Now we want to do all these things in one step, so I'm just gonna rotate this somewhere else. So we select the rocket, then the circle, and then we select transformation. So the rotation, position, scale, all transformations in one with one click. So all the transformations got copied from the rocket to the circle. Now let's do another thing. So we create let's create a splash and create another splash, and I'm gonna move. So these are two grids. Now I want to align them. I basically want these two walls to share the same space. Like we created this large scale simulation, and we want a splash here and a splash here. We're basically gonna create the iDocs manually, but we want to align these walls. So you select this guy, then shift select this guy, and you're gonna hit the nearest side. So this box was moved to that to the first splash box, and so they are these two sides are sharing the same space. Now let's move it apart again, and let's check the other button. So we're gonna actually move just the wall. So shift select, and now this box was scaled, so this side moved close to the other box, and they are sharing the same space, but actually the splash grid get extended. This is it, and check out my website, hyperorganic.com. It has cool movies, and send me some information and some feedback to my email address, and I'll try to explain the questions as good as I can.